Hey, how's it going, guys? Josh Annarelli here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, standing on our newest listing, Blues Travelers, a 2004 Albemarle 410 Express Fisherman. This boat just had its annuals completed. It has upgraded Simrad electronics, air handlers, new upholstery, as well as Glendenning controls up top and down below. This boat is a must-see and well-maintained vessel. Come see it here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg.